Hi everyone, this is exercise 9-11 for chapter 9. It's pretty straightforward. There's an example on page 454 in the book. So to start out, we're going to put property, plant, and equipment like it says up here, list in order. And then first we're going to do land. And up here we can see that land is 210. Next, we're going to do buildings. And up here we see buildings is 930. And then machinery and equipment. And up here machinery and equipment is 2050. And then next we're going to do other plant assets, and up here, other plant assets is 942. Then we're going to do less accumulated appreciation, and that's 2,150. So if we take 930 plus 2050 plus 942 and subtract 2150, we get 1,772. And then we're going to add land to that. So add 210, and we get 1,982. And that is our total property, plant, and equipment. Next, we're going to do intangible assets. The first one we're going to do is goodwill. And up here we can see that goodwill is 190. Next, patents and trademarks, and up here, see that's 500. Then we're going to less accumulated amortization, and that is $43. So if we go here, we do 500 minus 43, we get 457. And when we add 457 plus 190, we get 647. And that is our total intangible assets. So I'll go ahead and submit that. And it's correct. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment below in the discussion board. Thank you.